This is a Maytag stove. It's quite old, it's been around for quite some time, and the original parts are this particular color, powder coated. We are going to change out the burner, and I'm going to show you a trick. It's very simple to do. The only tool you need is maybe a Phillips screwdriver. These top covers also can be replaced and they get burnt over time. So we have here is our burner. We have here is our replacement burner. The only problem with the replacement burner is it's not the same color. It's a different color. The manufacturers do a powder coat in a darker color. These stoves do come in a different color. I must have said that a number of times. So here is my Phillips screwdriver. Look on the burner. Check the burner out. Look where my index finger is pointed at. There is a hole right here. You can simply put a tool in there to make your job a lot easier. Now, underneath here, this has been changed out more than one time. There is a gasket, and that gasket is very, very expensive. You could find these gaskets for a lot less money. Do you need the gasket? That is the question. If you don't have water, you don't spill, you don't do this in the food, you don't need the gasket. But if water spills, this and that, it does get underneath, and that is why you have that gasket. The gasket is fire retardant. It does dry out over time. I have changed mine out so many times that I should be able to twist this off. So I am going to feel for that hole, try to get the screwdriver in, and change it out for you. Come a little closer so I can show you what I'm doing. This is a water pump, a plumber's wrench. It just misses. I have a larger one. It goes right over. I'm able to grab it. If I do this, I'm going to scratch and damage everything, and that's not what I want to do. I want to look for that hole. That hole is right over here. I want to take anything that's in my way out of my way. And now I want to grab the burner, and I want to simply turn it, holding it with the screwdriver in there. Also, you notice I didn't pull any electricals out. But before I do this, let me retighten this up. I'll show you how simple it is to retighten it up with the screwdriver. You just simply grab it and you tighten it up. Now, the reason why I'm replacing this, it took way too long to start. If I go to the back one, it starts up a little faster. So once these are off your gas, then you're able to find the hole, twist it off, counterclockwise, and lift. You'll notice on here that there are two leads. And all you need to do is put this one on here, put that one on there, and you see the orange there. You see the little notch, which is a screw, and these are the clips that hold it into place. So we're going to replace this. Very simple. If you have trouble getting this off, get yourself a pin nose pliers. They come off very easy, and they go on very easy. No need to unplug as long as you don't turn the gas on. And this is the ground. Yellow's ground. Orange is the positive. And simply just place back on. You could take note how they both are the same size. The only thing difference here is this clip went down. So you can squeeze the clip, bring it down if you want. Get it on there. And when you turn this, it's going to lock into place. So feel for the locking mechanism right there. Look for the hole right here. You could put in the tool, and you could simply just give a little twist. As long as I'm locked in and I'm secured, it didn't go all the way around, but it went around just enough where I wanted to. Now I'm going to light it up, and that lit up a lot faster. One more time, and that is a fixed burner. It's just amazing that you have two different colors. At least the burner is fixed. You can replace these with replaceable ones at a lot less cost, and you simply just got a cover. You're not going to notice the difference on it. Replace all four for the price of one. This has been one of the easiest repair videos ever. The one I showed getting it off and people struggling, we said to use a channel lock. Channel lock is not needed. Something very simple, and in front of you was the hole and a special tool needed. Do not force in all the way because you're going in right to that inner area. You do not need the O-ring gasket. The O-ring gasket is $38. You can go get one for $3 in Home Depot or Lowe's if you could find where they put them. They are a kitchen sink sail gasket. It's about 3.5 inches, 4 inches. You can find them online as well. You can make one up if you're handy enough. And that's the repair video. Very simple indeed. No more scratching the top. No more using a plumber's wrench. Very simple indeed. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you've seen the older one, the original one. And I hope you like this one even better. And on that note, I'm Fish, the how-to channel ever since.